This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Chester, Virginia. Today we are going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is sold. It is closing day, and I wanted to bring it to you, just get a few words from my buyer. We had a pretty unique experience, and just wanted to share a little bit about specifically the logistics of selling one home and buying another. It can be a little hectic, but with a little bit of coordination and smart decision making, it can be a smooth process. He is clearly relaxed up here. We have actually seen his home before. I'm not going to talk too much about that though. How you doing, sir?
Fine, and you?
Awesome. I'm going to give you that mic so you can hold that. And today's closing day.
Yes, sir.
All right, you excited about it?
Yes, sir, I am.
All right, very good. So you had the unique experience of having to sell one house and then buy another. So was the process what you expected, or tell me a little bit about it?
The process was it was unique, and because I haven't sold a house, moved into a house since 35 years, and it was new to me, but it was like a learning experience. Kept me on my toes. I had to jump up and down, but I'm finally getting into my house and I'm happy.
Awesome. So what was it that attracted you to this house?
It's just like a wise man, Max, told me, it's a house for everybody. And once I walked in and saw the neighborhood, I was like, hey, this is me. You just know it in your heart.
Very good. So, I gotta tell, I shared with you before that we had some comments about the home that you're selling, and some of my viewers really loved your decor. You do all that decorating yourself?
Yes, sir, I did.
So what are your plans for this one as far as decorating?
I'm gonna try to make it twice as good or better than the one I had before.
Okay, all right, ladies. I'm gonna take the mic from you on that note. We're gonna go on in and take a look. I appreciate you, sir, and we will see you shortly here at the closing table. All right. The next time you cross this threshold, it'll be yours.
So I get the key today?
Yeah, you get the key today. Absolutely. You get the key today as soon as you sign on the dotted line for 360 easy monthly payments. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see. We've got a coat closet here. This is a unique floor plan because when we come in, we've got a nice vaulted floor plan here. Nice 2-story family room. Directly ahead actually is the family room. This is more of a formal area, and we're going to start on this side. The formal dining room is straight ahead. We've got chair rail crown molding. This is a real unique feature. We see this in some homes. They really kind of use some artistic skill to do that unique surface there on the ceiling. We transition now here into the kitchen. This is a galley style kitchen, and I like it because it's open here to the actual family room. Got enough space for a table there directly ahead, and of course our range here to the left. The backyard is really unique because we're nice and private here. Really good sized deck. You're gonna come and do some grilling back here. I know the other day you said you were cooking. Is that a plan that you have for back here, entertaining maybe?
A whole lot of entertaining and a whole lot of cooking.
A whole lot of entertaining and a whole lot of cooking. Okay. A man that can cook and entertain. I hear you. All right. Well, let's go on back and go through the family room. And you've got a nice big 2-car garage. The garage is going to be new for you, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you don't have a garage currently.
That's correct.
All right. So are you going to put the weights in there, or what's your plan for the garage?
Probably the stuff that I had in my tool shed. I'm going to put most of that in there. In my motorcycle.
Okay.
And,
All right, very good.
Yeah, the weights too. Yeah, yes, sir, the weights too.
Okay, very good. Good. You got good space here. This house is well allocated as far as the space. We got laundry here, washer, dryer. One of the things that I shared with my buyer is that appliances are negotiable. So some houses, when they're sold, they will have all appliances. Some won't have any. It's one of those things that it's got to be written in to the contract. If you want them, even though you see them when the home is online or when you see it, they have to actually be written in if they are not attached. And so I can give you further guidance when it comes time to buy on what is included and what's not included. But it's important that you are cognizant that just because you see it in the listing or in an advertisement online does not automatically mean that it conveys with the property. Okay, we're going to go upstairs here, take a look at our bedrooms. We've got 4 bedrooms here, which is nice. Nice allocation of space. We're going to start here in the end. This is a nice bright bedroom. And I think you've already kind of identified what you're going to do with each of these bedrooms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, let's go on through. This is going to be bedroom number 2. This is going to be the music room. He's already got a plan for this one. This is a nice and bright room. A closet right there. Okay, number 3. This is on the corner of the house, and this one has a little bit of shade, so it's a little bit darker, but this is actually, I think, a little bit bigger than the last one that we just saw. And we have a hall bath that's here to the right. Nice hall bath because you got a big vanity, a big mirror there. And do you like this shower head?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. I'm glad you did, because if you said you didn't, I was going to upgrade it for you. But since you like it, we're going to leave it. We're going to leave it in place since you like it. You know, I'm not trying to spend any more money. Okay, this is going to be a linen closet here, and then we're going to transition here into the primary. Now, the primary is neat. We've got a couple features here that really caught our attention. You notice we've got the vaulted ceiling, which is nice because it gives us the feel of a bigger room. This is already a really good sized room, but with the vault, it feels even bigger. Now, the other wonderful feature here is we go in this side, and that closet goes all the way down. This is probably a good, about good 13 feet or so worth of closet space. And then you can come out here the other side. So plenty of closet space here in this beautiful home. Now the primary bath is going to be right here. Now you don't look like a tub type of guy. You gonna spend some time in that tub?
Yeah, I will.
You kind of hesitated. What's up with that?
You know, I'm just saying, probably when I have one of my ladies go in there, I will.
This is a G-rated video here. Thank you. All right, and we got a stand-up shower here. See, when you do these types of interviews, you never know what they're going to say. So I'm just going to leave it at that. All right, great looking home. We are excited for you, sir. We're happy that you chose to do business with me, and can't wait to hand you the keys here shortly and go ahead and make this your own.
Yeah, let me say this. Max is the best. Anybody want to buy a house, you deal with him because he get the job done. And I mean that 100%.
Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Wow. If you have any questions about, not this one, because this one's his, but any other homes on the market, you let me know. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. You can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Y'all be safe, take care, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.